done. It looks really good. Hello everyone. Today's the day I'm finally making vegan kimchi. I would say it's the most simple version of kimchi that you could make. So why is this vegan kimchi? Is it kimchi just fermented cabbage? But usually when you buy kimchi or when you try kimchi in restaurants, most likely kimchi would contain fish sauce, which you cannot really see, but there is fish inside. But I don't eat fish, so I'm gonna show you how to make vegan kimchi. So ingredients are pretty simple. Of course, we'll need this cabbage, also known as Asian cabbage. And this one. I'm just gonna use one cabbage, some ginger, some garlics, and we need some of this green onions, skinny green onions. This is most important ingredient to make kimchi. It's Korean chili powder. Also, so I told you traditional kimchi contains fish sauce, but we are not gonna use it. Instead, we're gonna use this veggie fondue. Or if you are in Korea, prepare this yeondu. It's also like veggie fondue that brings all the flavors like nicely, gives some nice flavor, savory taste. And I'm gonna use this one because I have a lot. That's pretty much it. And also some salt. Let's get started. So before soaking this cabbage, I'm gonna cut it. You just can cut however you like. But for me personally, I really like kimchi like narrow but long kimchi. So I will not cut it like this. I will just cut it like this way. And get rid of this part. And then I'm putting into this bowl to soak it. This size I really like. This kind of big kimchi, so I will not cut it. Like this leaf is a bit big, so I'm gonna half it. And now we're gonna soak this cabbage with water and salt. I'm gonna use 1.3 liter of water. I'm gonna add 5 tablespoons of salt. And then we're gonna soak it for 1 hour. Like every 15 minutes, I'll come to the kitchen to turn the cabbages so that every pieces get equally soaked. Of course, I have to mix this well to melt salt well into water. Actually, now that I think of, you could just mix salt into water and then pour it to the bowl. And this part is pretty important because if you just use cabbage without soaking into salty water, it will be pretty bland. The salt and cabbage blend well with the sauce, the paste, kimchi paste that we're gonna make later, and then eventually will taste really nice. Alright, it's the last time I'm toasting this cabbages around. Just like this. Okay, and let's make the kimchi paste. Order of the making paste doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna start with this ginger. We'll need half tablespoon of minced ginger. So I'm gonna peel the ginger first. Yeah, we're gonna measure half tablespoon, and this looks like it's more than 1 tablespoon, so I'm gonna add like this amount. Should I just use a bit more? Yeah, I'm just gonna use a bit more because I have so much. Yep, so eventually I'm putting 1 tablespoon of ginger. We're gonna need 2 tablespoons of garlic. Hey! Chef Yando is home. It came super early. This is the best way to mince garlic. Alright, now we measure 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna use 10 tablespoons of chili powder. This is Korean chili powder that I brought from Korea. It's pretty spicy, so it's gonna be a spicy kimchi. We're also using 2 tablespoons of sugar. And we're gonna use 4 tablespoons of it. So I'm just gonna cut it like this long. Yeah, nice. And now we're gonna drain the water and rinse these cabbages. So since it's soaked nicely, it's like super easy to bend, like this. Rinse it with cold water. And now we just mix everything, this cabbage, kimchi paste, and green onion, and just mix everything well. So since we have a lot of paste and not much cabbage, I'm just not gonna use everything at once. Maybe I'll just put like half of it first, and then see if it's adequate. And I'm gonna use all the green onions here, and I'll actually gonna use my hands. Try to do it kind of gently because we don't want cabbages to be too squashed. Yeah, I actually think this amount of kimchi paste was enough because this cabbage was pretty small. I'm very excited. I wish I had a bowl of rice right now, but I don't, so I'm just gonna have nice. It's really good. You really don't have to buy kimchi, just make it. Even though it's the simplest version of making kimchi, it's still really good. So make your own kimchi.